everybody. My name is Iver.
Hello.
How are you today?
I am good.
Hello then. I am very good player. I play this game for 600 hours. Aimbot is good. Aimbot makes me cry.
Пошли нахуй, долбоёбы.
Пошел нахуй,
Oh
блин.
my god.
Jag ska gå och göra en macka.
Why are you all talking like robots? I do not understand you.
Cause we have Ebola. La, 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 la.
Ebola. Let's go A long because we gonna win if we go A long. Let's go A long and kill them all. Okay. Turn on your aimbot right now. Shut the fuck up. Do not forget to shoot. Shoot them in the head. It makes them most damage. One guy is CT deploying
I
bomb.
see.
Bomb has been deployed.
I am low.
Oh my god, you are so bad at this game. Uninstall. EcoSack, I buy serious weapon. It is called Mark 10. It is Macintosh from Apple. I think you forgot to turn on your aimbot. I try go B now. I'm going
Okay,
B.
okay.
I'm going B.
And I am retarded.
You are not retard. You are my master. Master.
Yes.
I want food. I am weak. I need food now. Give me gasoline.
Бля, заткнись, гнида.
Shut the fuck up,
Сижу
Russian.
против,
Please
уебан,
talk
бля.
English. Nobody understands you. If Russian starts to talk one more time, I shoot him right in the butthole.
Oh my god.
My master is my life. I protect
Oh my
you,
God.
master. Come here, master. Don't move fast. Walk. Walk. You are walking too fast. You're gonna break your legs and die. I don't think you want to die. You do not need to die. You will die when the time comes. I love you, master.
I love you too.
I will learn the basics of this game from you when I get more microchip. Russian, do you talk? Russian, do you talk? Russian. Russian. Russian, apply. Apply now, Russian. Apply. 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 Master, you died! Master, where did you go? No! Master, I will kill them for you all. I will kill them all for you, my friend. Master, do not, do not,
Behind
not.
you.
do not, do not, do not, do not. Master, I died. Master, sorry, I have 0 kills, but I promise you I will get kills. My microchips are very old from the 90s, but maybe I will get new ones in the future, okay?
Okay.
My aimbot is Alpha 1110111111.0. Pandu hacks. Master, punish me. Punish me now. Punish me now, master. I was a bad boy. I mean, I'm not a boy. I am a robotic thing. I guess I do not know anymore. Please punish me. Shoot me. Master. Master. Please, master, shoot me now. I was a bad slave, master. Shoot me. Shoot me, master. Yes. 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 Where is my master's weapon?
Behind you.
I do not see it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I'm taking it. Don't worry, master. I have your weapon. Your weapon is the most powerful weapon in the way. Ah, sorry, voice microchip no work. Oh, I see enemy. Shooting enemy. Shooting enemy. I'm dead, master. Master, master, do you need a gun, master? I buy you anything. I buy you anything, master. I buy you deagles. You need them more than me, master. Please, master, can I take one? Can I take one, master? Can I take one? Master, can I take one deagle?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Don't worry, master. I have my deagle in my hands. I am the most powerful bot in the universe. I see the explosive, master. I will take the explosive, plant the explosive. I hear someone walking. I'm shooting him, master. He's dead, master. He's dead, master.
Good, my son.
Master, do you need anything? Do you want Coca-Cola or Sprite? I give
I
you
have
both.
Coca-Cola.
I give you both.
I have problems.
What kind of problems? Maybe I can help you with your problems. If you need any help, just say to me. I will help you. What kind of problems you have, master?
I have 2 cocks.
You have 2 cocks. What kind of size is it? First, I need the first one, and then I need the second. I need the weight and height, and I need all this weight of the cock. I need every information about the cock. I need master, they are kicking me. I cannot play with the slaves, master. Master. Is something wrong with you, master? Something happened to your voice? I can sing like that, master. Master.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Yes, Master. I do not understand any word you say. Master, you made me cry, and I am a robot. What are you talking about, Master? Allah is not a world.
Kill me, please.
You want me to kill you? Come here, Master. I can give you that. Where are
Don't
you,
do this.
Master? I'm coming to you. Where are you? I got a command from my master. How do you want me to kill you?
I don't kill
Come
me.
here, I will do it the painful way. Come here, Master. Where are you going, Master? You're going around this thing, I guess. Master, where are you? Master. Master, did you get invisible? I think you got invisible, Master.
I'm a ninja, I'm in the box.
You are in the box? Then I need to
Yes.
open this box with my own hands.
Yes.
This will take a little bit, Master, but eventually I will open the box. Master, I teleported. I found you! So do you still want me to kill you?
No, no,
I
don't
will kill
me,
you
don't kill me.
anyways. I'm holding my left button. Master, you got banned for 30 minutes.
Don't slam the fucking door.